Knapsack now allows any user to assemble existing coded components and patterns together and modify them and create with them directly in our UI, really allowing folks to design and build with code and get everyone's expectations really rooted in what is a user going to see. So here I've chosen this layout, and we can see this is my own team's components. Here are all the subcomponents we're using. This is just showing the properties configured to create this specific presentation, a collection of variants, if you will. I want to go and customize this, but I'm working directly with production code as I do it. So let's go in. I'm going to change this third card here. So I want to change this one. I'm going to keep drilling down. I'm going to get rid of one of the authors, and I'm going to change this actually to a button. We're going to make it one that has an icon, and we're going to go in, and these are all the preset examples. I can actually customize it further. Let's say this is going to be something about a travel site. Got a little image. There we go, and we'll hit the lorem ipsum, and I can go into this and say, plan your trip. And you know what? Let's make it red. Let's go wild. All right, so there we go. I can kind of create this really quickly, and again, we'd see all the code is updated. This is, my team can reference this and see, hey, here's exactly how we want this to look. You see I've got a button that says plan your trip, that's danger, there's an icon. All the things that I just did in the UI are reflected in this code. I can save this, I can apply themes to this if we have them set up. I can open this in a new window to share it with other folks. So this is a great way to understand what you can do with your system, understand where you really need to spend more time in creative, where you're going to potentially run into disconnects between what you see in Figma and the corresponding code components that actually exist and will go out to users. So really helping teams close that expectation gap by letting everyone see the thing in the medium that a user will experience at any point in the digital production workflow is just so powerful.